It's all because of my dream. Got me pushing this moment. Got me spitting whatever kind of moment. It's like people sometimes catch me on the wrong moment, telling me come on spit, spit a rhyme, and they catch me on the moment that I cannot spit a rhyme. I mean, how can you put a pressure on the rapper now, telling me to spit with that fucking anxious now? Anxious, you telling me what you want now? Fuck this shit, you're the wrong fan I need now. I need the real fans, have spirit for me now. I need the real love, push me to the minute now. I'm in the being the concerts, what I dream now. My dream is to become a rapper, doing it big now. I'm about to prove everybody that wrong now. Friends that telling me that I'm not gonna do it now. And leave my family, tell me I'm gonna do it. Cause they hurt me when I was a little kid. When I was 5 years old, shit. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, and 15. Finally, I'm 15 years old and I got distinction. Yeah, I got my YouTube account. I got my video cam. I gotta work it out. Baby, come and show it now. Yeah, I'm the rapper doing it big now. Yeah, my dreams are coming true, but just wait for the moment now. Wait for the moment now. Young Mark, and it still is Young Mark. It's not Inflow.